Have you ever felt nervous ordering coffee in English? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you real phrases people actually use at coffee shops. Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Always start with a simple hi or good morning. It sounds friendly and natural.
What can I get for you?
I'd like a cappuccino, please. I'd like is polite and common. You can also say, can I get, or I'll have. Can I have a latte with soy milk? Can I have is very natural and used every day. I'll have a flat white, please. I'll have is simple and sounds natural in both the UK and US.
What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
A medium one, please. Always say the size before the drink. Example: a medium cappuccino, please.
Do you want sugar with that?
No sugar, please.
Any milk preference?
Regular milk is fine, thanks. Regular milk means normal cow's milk.
Would you like regular, lactose-free, or plant-based milk?
Can I have lactose-free milk, please? Lactose-free is still cow's milk, but without lactose.
We also have soy, almond, and oat milk. Which one would you like?
I'll take oat milk, please. Plant-based milk means milk alternatives like soy, almond, oat, or coconut.
Do you want it strong?
Yes. Extra shot of espresso, please. Extra shot means more caffeine in your coffee.
For here or to go?
To go, please. To go means takeaway. For here means drink inside.
Would you like something to eat?
Yes, could I also have a croissant? Add also when you order food together with your drink.
Do you want anything else?
No, that's all for me, thanks. Use "that's all" to finish your order politely.
That will be $4.50. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
By card, please. Here you go.
Do you want a receipt?
Yes, please. A receipt is the small paper you get after paying.
Here's your coffee. Enjoy!
Thanks a lot. Have a great day. And now, you know how to order coffee in English like a real customer. Practice these dialogues, and next time at a cafe, you'll feel confident.